Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. Today we're going to do a really quick Kroger haul. I want to share with you guys all of the amazing deals that Kroger is running on the mega event that just started today. So you have 2 weeks to get in on these deals. The mega event that's running is a buy 5, save 5. So that means for every 5 participating products that you buy that are included in the sale, you'll get $5 off of your total, and that'll be multiplied by the number that you buy in increments of 5. So I bought a total of 35 items that were included in the sale, and then I also bought some grocery items that we needed. So I'll go over everything that I got. I'm also going to include some side-by-sides of when I was shopping in the store so you can see the sale in the store. And I also am going to talk at the end about a couple deals that I didn't do because they were either out of stock or because I didn't need them, that are awesome money makers or just good sale prices that I want to make sure that you guys are aware of. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first deal I did was on the Airwick plugins. These were $3.99 and all of the scents and varieties are included. These Maui Mango just smelled so good and I'm so excited about it warming up. I wanted to get these. These are on sale for $3.99. We have a $5 off 2 digital coupon, which makes those $1.49 each. A lot of the General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.79. So these were $1.79. We have a $1 off 1 coupon, which makes those 79 cents a box. I got these 2 particular flavors because I want to see if my son will like them. So I only got a couple boxes. If you guys have tried these, let me know in the comment box if they're any good. But for 79 cents, I was like, we're about to try them today because you cannot beat that for a box of cereal. I was super excited about this Caf Bustelo. I love Caf Bustelo. These were $4.99. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon and then a $1 off 1 IP as well. So use either or, but that will make that $3.99 for the box. The Simply Vinaigrette by Ken's, this was $1.49 a bottle. We have a $1 off 1 coupon, which makes those 49 cents each. The Sure deodorant is definitely my favorite deal on this sale. Why? Because it is 99 cents and we have a $1.50 off 1 coupon, which makes that a 51-cent money maker for each one that you buy. So you're going to get 51 cents in overage to apply towards your basket total for each one of these that you buy with that coupon. It does not beep. It scans flawlessly. So go ahead and clip your coupons and stock up on deodorant and get that free money. I was also super excited about this Axe body wash. My husband is super low. These were on sale for $2.99. We have a $3 off 2 coupon, which makes those $1.49 a bottle. The St. Ives body wash, this was on sale for $2.49. We have a $1.50 off 1 coupon, which makes those 99 cents each. Those are really big bottles at 24 ounces each. So definitely well worth the 99 cents. The Aveeno body wash is also an amazing deal. If you buy Aveeno products, you know they can run you pretty pricey. These were on sale for $4.49 and we have a $3 off 1 coupon, makes those $1.49 a bottle. Next deal I was super excited about. So the Pert 2-in-1, these are $1.99. We have a $2 off 1 coupon, which makes those absolutely free. Another awesome freebie is on the Colgate Optic White. So these are on sale for $1.99. We have a $2 off 1 coupon. Makes that what? It makes it absolutely free. Free 99, my favorite price. Some other deals that I did because we needed these items, I got some eggs. These were 99 cents. I used a 40 cents off 1 Kroger mailer coupon, made those 59 cents for the eggs. The Florida's Natural Orange Juice was on sale for $2.69. I used a $1 off 2 coupon on that, made those $2.19 each. The Minute Maid, I didn't use a coupon on that, but those were on sale for 3 for $5. And the ground turkey, it was $3.29. I used a 70 cents off 1 mailer coupon, made that $2.59 for the ground turkey. The Finish, I was so excited that I only bought 1 bag of these because I was upset with myself because they're actually cheaper at Publix this week. So if you have a Publix, don't buy them at Kroger. They were on sale for $4.99. I used a $2 off 1 coupon $2.99 a bag for the finish. The Downy, these are the big bottles. These are the 90 load bottles, and they were on sale for $4.99 as well. I used a $2 off one internet printable coupon from the Procter & Gamble website, made that $2.99 for the bottle. And then I picked up some milk. It was just $1.99 regular price. Now I'm going to talk about a couple deals that I didn't do because they were either out of stock or because we didn't need them, that I want to make sure you guys are aware of. And then I'll show you guys how much I saved and what my total was. So the first deal I didn't do, you guys, was on these Mrs. Cubison's classic croutons. So these were on sale for 39 cents each, and we have a dollar off two internet printable coupon. So that lets you know on its own that these were a moneymaker. So 39 cents each, use the dollar off two internet printable coupon. You've already made 11 cents per bag of croutons. But what elevates this deal and takes it up even further is we also have an Ibotta rebate, you guys. So we're getting 25 cents back per bag as well, which makes that a 36 cent moneymaker per bag. You cannot beat that. A couple other deals that I saw, the Poise liners, they were on sale for $3.99. We have a $3 off coupon, which makes those 99 cents each. Not a bad price at all. The Tide liquid laundry detergent is on sale for $4.99. If you need Tide, then $2.99 is not a horrible price. We have a $2 off internet printable coupon from the Procter & Gamble website. Makes that $2.99 a bottle. And then the Aussie Moist. This is my favorite conditioner, you guys. I was so tempted to buy more. It is $1.99. We have a $2 off two coupon, which makes those 99 cents a bottle. And then going along with that, we have the herbal essences. They're $1.99 as well. We have a $2 off two coupon, and that makes those 99 cents as well. All right, you guys, so that wraps up the deals that I wanted to share. Here is the first of two receipts because I did two different transactions. This first receipt, I bought the bulk of the items that I shared today. I have 35 items in this one, and after taxes, I paid $46.15. Had $5 in taxes, you guys. Crazy. I saved a total of 70%, and I saved a $96.62 in this transaction. So I don't think that's bad at all. Almost $100 savings. In my second transaction, I only bought 4 of the Pert 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioners and one of the Aveeno. So I paid $2.32 after taxes. Almost $1 of that was taxes again. And then I saved 92% in that transaction and $17.30 saved. So not bad at all. So after all was said and done, I have saved $114 today. Not bad at all. So you guys get out to the Kroger mega event. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I hope everyone has an amazing day.